If you're dreaming of a beach house close to the sand, but with just enough distance for peace and privacy, you will love today's tour. This home is all about the beach lifestyle, just a short walk away. Let's check out everything you would want in a beach house. So you're interested in learning about South Padre Island? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we cannot wait to show you our brokerage's listing at 116 East Constellation Street. This home has everything you would want in a beach house. It is 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, has a private pool, and an outdoor kitchen area. If you're new to this channel, I'm Denise with Frankie Realty. Hit subscribe so you won't miss a video here about the real estate on South Padre Island. I can't wait to show you this listing. Let's go take a look. So, what is everything you'd want in a beach house? Well, here we go. Starting with a must-have for any beach day, a sparkling swimming pool, perfect for cooling off after a day on the beach. Of course, you need storage for all those beach and pool toys. No more dragging sandy boogie boards through the house. Number 3 is the outdoor shower. Because no one wants to bring the beach inside, essential for rinsing off sand and salt before diving into the pool. Great for lounging, outdoor dining, or entertaining with all the beach vibes you can handle. Creates a bright, airy feeling and maximizes family time. Light colors, natural textures, and beachy touches make for a cozy, beach-inspired interior. Ideal for grilling up beachside feast to enjoy with family and friends. Easy care plants and ground cover make upkeep a breeze. Let's talk location. While this home is not directly on the beach, it is just down the street, close enough for spontaneous beach days and sunrise strolls, while giving you the quiet of a more private street. Even a short walk is ideal for convenience without being in the hustle and bustle of the beachfront street. Bedrooms that allow you and guests to relax and recharge. Fencing or landscaping that adds a sense of retreat. Access to waterfront restaurants, beach bars, and shops nearby enhances the vacation feel. So now that we've confirmed this home has everything you would want in a beach house, let's take a look inside. Inside, you've got a bright, airy living space that feels beachy and welcoming. Look at these large windows. They let in tons of light, giving you that coastal vibe even when you're indoors. We start downstairs. You'll find 2 cozy bedrooms, one with bunk beds and a full bed, ideal for guests or kiddos. Just steps away, a large bathroom and super spacious laundry room make beach life easy. The second bedroom has a large bed and windows looking out to the large swimming pool and backyard area. On this lower level, you also have your garage for all your beach gear, bikes, and more. Heading upstairs at the heart of the home, we have a bright, airy living space that feels beachy and welcoming. Look at all the windows. They let in tons of light, giving you that coastal vibe even when you're indoors. The open concept living area with a kitchen and dining space all flow together. Here we open up to a fabulous front porch, perfect for sipping coffee in the morning or having evening cocktails with a sea breeze and plenty of seating. We then find another fun bunk room decorated in the coastal style and down the hall a full bathroom. And finally, the primary bedroom and full bathroom at the end of the hallway. Not only is it spacious, but it comes with its own private back porch for those peaceful beach nights. This home is 2,080 square feet and was built in the year 2000. There is no HOA, and this home may be rented either short or long term. Stepping outside, the patio is made for relaxation, from lounge chairs, outdoor grilling, even to an outdoor shower. It's everything you want for easy beach living without the sand. If you're looking for that ideal beach home just steps from the sand, then look no further. This home has it all. Close enough to the beach to enjoy the sunrise, yet far enough away to have your own space. When you're ready to learn more about this home or South Padre Island in general, Leave a comment below or reach out directly. Until next time, this is Denise signing off from the shores of South Padre Island.